It's really, for me, it's really important to bring my team here and bring the outside in because we know that we're not the best at everything, but we want to network with people that are the best in certain areas and bring that into Kraft Heinz. And then overall, that's a competitive advantage for us. So never stay latent, always learn. And I think that competitive advantage piece is key for us here at the Summit.
You know, I've been to, I go to not a small number of conferences, and the nice thing about this one is it really is closely tied to the industry that I work on, right? It's the food elements, it's the manufacturing elements, and while it's not to say there's not opportunities to learn from other parts of the CPG space or even the broader kind of manufacturing supply chain space, there are some unique challenges we face in the food space, whether it has to do with, the rising needs or changing needs of our consumers or the types of issues that we face on the supply side. So it does create a little bit of a smaller community to be able to discuss issues and challenges with.
I think there will be two things that we really enjoy. The first thing is getting to connect with a lot of people who are decision makers at other companies. And the great thing about the conference is it's not a competitive spirit, even though there's companies that compete here. It's like, okay, how do we collectively come together and make food manufacturing better? Better food safety, better quality, better employee engagement, and then better profits because, at the end of the day, we're all for-profit companies and we want to do good by the people, do good by the environment, but also do good by our shareholders and stakeholders. So I think that's the first thing. The second thing I would just say is the ease of this conference, right? It's easy to come in, it's easy to go to all the events. The Generis app has been great. The people in particular have been great and super professional in helping us engage in this conference as trouble-free as possible.